Hi guys, it's Pillar again. Uh, for those who did not subscribe on my YouTube channel, may you please subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you cannot miss anything that I'll upload. So today I want us to talk about multiple time frames, guys. The importance of using multiple time frame. Ibenefitha kanjani part yokusebenzisa ama-multiple time frame bafethu? Let's check. Remember that we are using e-price action. Since we are using e-price action, it's wise for us to use to check the overall trend. So how can we check the overall trend? We need to start from monthly until go 1 minute. That's the advantage. That's how you use a multiple time frame. Okay, let me show you ukuthi ikbenefita kanjani. Look at this. So check any pair. It's fine. Okay. Let me zoom out. By looking at this, you this be zoom out move. Eventually my saw you know ukuthi I price izojika kuphi kanjani ne. Look at this. The price ichigela. So since the price ichigela, we don't know the reason ukuthi the price ichigela ukuthi yini. So now we have to find out what causing the price to turn where it turned. Remember, this month, of which is February, we're going to have this full candle, as it is here asazi ukuthi iyophelela kuphi. For the whole of February, we'll have only one candle. Okay, let's go to weekly and see what are we going to find go weekly. Remember, we have to find ukuthi the price ichigiswe yini la ichige khona. We couldn't find ukuthi ichigiswe yini go weekly. Hopefully go monthly go sorry, I made a mistake. We didn't find ukuthi go monthly ichigiswe yini. Hopefully go week sizothola ukuthi ichigiswe yini price. Okay, as I go back to back test, Safuni istakile lana. I don't know why. Okay, fine. By looking at these, we know ukuthi something happened somewhere here. We know ukuthi something happened here, even if singakabonanga yet ukuthi what's the cause of what happened here. Remember, we are on weekly, guys. Let's go to daily and see ukuthi ku daily kwenzakalani. Okay, we are on daily now. We have to zoom out so that we can get something clear. All right, now I understand the reason why the price turned here. Since some of you, they don't even know ukuthi what is happening in price action, I automatically know ukuthi what happened here. Mind if I move a horizontal line here. Remember, I had no idea what happened earlier, so now I know ukuthi kwenzakaleni, and I can work on lento engicede ukuyithola, the cause of the price to turn where it turned. If you recall, there was a time in ngikhuluma nge-PCP. I'm not sure if both familiar nge-PCP or what. I-PCP, it's a potential continuation pattern. Ngenze i-example yokuthi speed hump. Chaza ukuthi yazi mafika ku speed ehampini isleka, then you continue, and after ujumpe speed hump, you accelerate because there's a distance before you get another speed hump. Look at this. The price iphosile la. I'm on daily for weeks. After that, yakupuga for 1 day, ya pause. After that, look at this. Eventually, when the price will come back here, it will turn. It turned here. It turned here. Okay, fine. Today we are not talking about PCP. I won't go deeper with PCP with the PCP yini kanjani today. So now by looking at this, you eventually know ukuthi i-price izojika kuphi, izohamba kanjani. So now into khona ukuthi we see ukuthi i-price is supposed to come back here on this one. So when into oyidingayo now, you need to find bayibiza shandis ama entry points. Alright, remember now we know is structured sime kanjani. It's an uptrend. Look at this. I'll make a video explaining ama uptrend, ama what trend, because I know some of you are still lacking that. This is another small PCP that happened in an uptrend. I'll go down to H4 so that you can see something clear. Remember here, this one is a big one, and it took weeks ukuthi ibuyela that made this point to be valid. And the reason why it's ichigela, you'll know once you become part of FTC. Remember, this video is not based on PCPs. So let's go to H4. Go H4, that's when we'll know ukuthi i-entry point yethu singayithatha kuphi kanjani. Alright, this is the small PCP and Kombeyona from Go Daily. This is where the price turned. Manje ichigela. If we can go to smaller time frame, you will know ukuthi i-price ichigiso yini la. Because remember, into ebalekile for us ama traders is to find a proper entry point. So now I'll go down to H4 to 1 hour. Let me take this horizontal line. Okay, automatically we have this on our left. Let's go a bit down and see ukuthi kunani. Okay, so far there's nothing here, but we have this and this on our left. It caused the price to turn here. What am I expecting here? Now I'm expecting the price to come roughly here before it accelerate up. So now into ebalekile ukuthi into ebalekile manje ukuthi ngithole i-entry point yami. I'm sorry about that, guys. I-entry point yami kumele ngiyithole from ama smaller time frame. Remember, from higher time frame we discovered ukuthi i-price is going up. Since the price is going up, what we're going to do here, we're going to look for buying opportunities only. I can see now the price is going down, but that doesn't give me the right to sell. I must wait until the price gets here, then I buy. As soon as the price gets here, I buy. I put my stop loss below, then I buy. I'm expecting the price to go up. By doing that, minimize ama risk wokuthi ngilose, minimize ama risk wokuthi ngilose unnecessary. Remember, for you to know ukuthi i-trading isebenza kanjani, ihamba kanjani, you need to be patient. If you are not patient, you're not gonna make it. Okay, fine. Let's go deeper. Now go 5 minutes. I mean go 15 minutes. I'm going to 5 minutes. Go 5 minutes. What are we going to find? We're going to find this. The price is trying to get down. As soon as the price gets here, we're going to buy. Let me add something. I'm not sure I understand that, but then this one is not what I wanted us to talk about. You see, add a trend line. This trend line iyakhomba ukuthi the price izojika kuphi eventually. As soon as the price ifika la, or it can even accelerate to here, izofika somewhere la. As soon as the price gets here, I know what to do. Go 1 minute, angiyi kakhulu, because in 1 minute I call me the actual thing, but eventually look at where the price is now. It's easy for the price to get here. Remember ukuthi iyakwazi ukuya ngekhandlela eli1 like this. It can just accelerate down. Okay, let's check ukuthi sisele ngama minutes angakanani. The part yokwenza ama minutes amaningi, I don't like it.